What do you see down there? Is it a snake? What? Oh, I forgot. I should look at my geocache app, huh? Yeah, don't put your hand down in those holes.
No, I just see something.
There's a creek. I don't know what the name of this creek is. We'll have to check and see what the name of the creek is. Might be Penasquitos Creek. How many were in there? 3? 2. It's moving.
One of them I can't get off because they're attached to a dead one.
Yeah, let's go check out that waterfall.
There's a lot.
We're not going to be able to save them all because it's going to take all day. We don't have all day. Really? Come on, let's go. Oh, the waterfall. Hi, Pepper. That's probably close enough, don't you think? Where do you think you're going now? Pepper punches. Seriously? Smiles. Where are you gonna go now?